Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Jason, keep it real, FOREX King. We out here looking at charts for the week of August 16th to the 21st. So, like we do, we start off looking at the Forex Factory, looking at the calendar, and we see Sunday, nothing too crazy. Monday, there's some high impact news with AUD for the monetary policy meeting minutes. Tuesday should be a light day in the market. Wednesday, there's an all-day meeting for the OPEC, JMC meetings. So the market should be maybe a little volatile Wednesday. And Thursday, slightly volatile with the Canadian pair and USD pairs, unemployment claims and non-farm employment changes. And then Friday, expect some decent movements with the Euro pairs, with the French sales service PMI, German flash manufacturing PMI, and some of the GBP pairs and CAD for core retail sales and retail sales. So that's what you should do every week. Always check the calendar, see what's going on. Pay attention to like the high impact news mainly, because that affects the market. And now let's look at some charts, man. Let's look at gold. So right now, this is a 4-hour chart for gold. Gold dropped last week. And right now, let's go to the daily chart real quick. So right now, gold rejected off a like a support area, and it came back up after rejected down from resistance. So if gold breaks this area, and gold breaks down this area, comes down and breaks this area, expect this to go for a downtrend for the week. But if gold decides to respect this area and come back up, expect it to retest the previous high. And if it breaks the high, which is going to be a continuation. Because I know we're in an uptrend, gold has constantly been going up. As you can see, it's been constantly going up, up. So it could continue to go up due to what's happening in the market with the coronavirus. So gold has been a nice swing trade pair. Now look at AUD USD. It's a 4-hour chart. As you see last week, it was pretty choppy, going up and down, consolidating. So right now, let's go to the daily chart to kind of get like a bigger picture of this pair. So right now, consolidating. So the options right now could be pretty much it retesting the strong area of like, demand zone area. If people trade demand, they know about demand and supply. It could reject off the demand zone, breaking back the trend line, testing the resistance and coming down, or continue going back up. So, cause right now we're on an uptrend for AUD. So right now it could test the demand zone and shoot back up, creating higher highs. That's one option. Or it could finally reject off the trend line since it broke it and come back down and start the beginning of a downtrend. So that's the options for AUD. But for GBPJPY, this pair has been moving last week for uptrend. As you can see, it's been moving, which is a good thing for people who like to swing trade, focus on one direction. But right now, we're going to go through an area where the market might retest the area of support and come back up to try to get to a newer high. Right now, as you look at the past, we have like a strong, like big drop over here. So the market could also play out to try to get back up to its previous area. So you just gotta pay attention. Or the market could finally decide, okay, we're ready, about to reject this area here. Let's look at area of resistance, of exhaustion, resistance. So the market could decide, okay, we're ready here. We can retest and come back down, and could potentially come down here. But right now, where we are in an uptrend. The market broke this area of resistance. So it could, like I said, retest and then come back up for a higher uptrend. So now let's look at GBPUSD. So GBPUSD it sucked a lot last week. Look at all this. No true direction, a lot of wicks, a lot of people getting trapped, so I go up or down. So to be honest, you gotta see how this week plays out. Because obviously it's gonna be a breakout soon. Because that's what happens when you see a lot of consolidation, it's gonna break out. So pay attention. If it retests this resistance, it could like come back up and shoot back up. Or if it retests support, it could like either reject and come back up and then break out. Or if it comes back to support, it could break support and then start the downtrend. Just like we have like a uptrend here, it could begin to start the downtrend push. But all depends what happens at this area. So that area is what, about 1.29650 area. Wherever it happens here, if it breaks this area and closes, expect a downtrend. Breaks the 131,700 area, expect the uptrend. So just pay attention. And then last but not least, Bitcoin, for my Bitcoin traders. Right now it's strong consolidation, straight going up and down. So right now we're in strong air resistance. So this is like a supply zone, it's my demand zone. And we are at uptrend. So it's gonna be a breakout soon. As you can see, I'm getting smaller and smaller for a breakout. So right now, we could potentially see it to continue. Could Bitcoin look like it's trying to go up? So we could continue to see come back down and reject up and then fly out. That's what I would like to happen. But sometimes it might not do that. It might just come back down and break it, and come back up, and then break back down and try to retest this area. But here you see a lot of wicks from the past. So if it like closes with a candle, then you'll see a downtrend. Right now is an overall uptrend for Bitcoin, so that might not happen, but it could happen. So just FYI. So right now expecting it to like retrace down and come back up, trying to break this area of resistance. So that's pretty much it in the market. I would say for all you new trades out there, trade what you see, not what you think, and definitely look at forexfactory.com to figure out the what's happening for the week in the market, and use good risk management, and you should be okay. And like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. And right now we out here. Peace.